Ever wondered what makes a food healthy? What if I told you it's not just about munching on lettuce and sipping green smoothies? When we talk about healthy food, we're referring to a balanced diet that provides us with the nutrients our bodies need to function optimally. These nutrients include vitamins, minerals, proteins, carbohydrates, fats, and of course water. First off, let's talk vitamins. These are essential for our bodies to stay disease-free and function well. They play a role in everything from our vision to our immune system. And the best part? They can be found in a wide variety of foods, from fruits and vegetables to dairy and meats. Next up, we have minerals. These are just as essential as vitamins, playing a crucial role in our bodies. They help build strong bones, make hormones, and ensure our heart and brain function correctly. Minerals can be found in foods like nuts, whole grains, dairy products, and lean meats, and who could forget proteins? They are the building blocks of our bodies, helping to build and repair tissues. You can find proteins in foods like eggs, beans, poultry, and seafood. Carbohydrates, often villainized in the diet world, are actually essential for providing our bodies with energy. Whole grains, fruits, and vegetables are excellent sources of carbohydrates. Fats, another misunderstood nutrient, are important for absorbing vitamins and protecting our heart and brain. Healthy fats can be found in foods like avocados, nuts, and fish. And lastly, we have water. It may not be a nutrient in the traditional sense, but it's vital for nearly every function in our bodies. It helps us stay hydrated, regulates our body temperature, and aids digestion. So healthy food is not just about eating fruits and vegetables, it's about balance and variety. It's about incorporating all these nutrients into our diet in the right proportions. And remember, no single food or nutrient is a magic bullet. It's the overall pattern of our diet that matters. So let's embark on this journey of understanding what makes food healthy and how we can make better choices for our bodies. Think of vitamins as tiny superheroes, each with a unique superpower. Imagine vitamin A donning a cape, swooping in to boost your immunity and enhance your vision. Vitamin B complex, the team of 8, each with a unique role, from boosting energy levels to promoting cell growth. Vitamin C, the regenerator, helping to repair body tissues and enhancing iron absorption. Vitamin D, the sunlight lover, helping your body absorb calcium for strong bones. Vitamin E, the protector, safeguarding cells from damage. And finally, vitamin K, the healer, playing a key role in helping the blood clot, preventing excessive bleeding. These vitamins, each with their unique powers, are vital for our health, performing a host of roles to keep our bodies functioning at their best. So remember to incorporate a variety of foods in your diet to invite these superheroes to your body's rescue. Vitamins, the tiny superheroes we all need. Minerals, not just for rock collectors. That's right, folks. These tiny, unassuming little elements play a vital role in keeping us in tip-top shape. Think of them as the unsung heroes of our health, the backstage crew that keeps the show running smoothly. You see, minerals like iron, calcium, and potassium, to name a few, are the diligent workers behind the scenes. They're like the stagehands at a rock concert, the ones who ensure the guitars are tuned, the microphones are working, and the spotlight is just right. In our bodies, these minerals are hard at work. They're ensuring our bones stay strong, our muscles contract properly, and our nerves conduct signals efficiently. They're even key players in making sure our hearts keep beating. So, while they may not get the standing ovations or the encore requests, let's give a round of applause to these unsung heroes. They might not make it to the headlines, but they're definitely worth their weight in health. So the next time you enjoy a meal, don't forget to thank the minerals. Meet the big three: proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. These crucial components are the pillars of nutrition, the fuel that powers our bodies. Let's give them a closer look. Let's start with proteins. They're the building blocks of life, the raw materials our bodies use to construct everything from our hair and skin to our muscles and organs. Every cell in your body contains proteins, and they're constantly being broken down and replaced. The protein in the food we eat is digested into amino acids, which our bodies then use to build new proteins. It's a never-ending cycle of construction and renewal. Next up, carbohydrates. Now, carbs often get a bad rap, but they're actually our body's main source of energy. They're like the gasoline that keeps our engines running. When we eat carbs, our bodies break them down into glucose, which is then used to fuel our cells. But not all carbs are created equal. Whole grains, fruits, and vegetables are sources of complex carbs, which provide a steady stream of energy and keep us feeling full and satisfied. And last, but certainly not least, fats. Fats are a concentrated source of energy, packing more than twice as much punch per gram as proteins or carbs. They're essential for maintaining healthy skin and hair. They help us absorb vitamins, and they're a key part of our cell membranes. And just like with carbs, there are good fats and bad fats. Monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, like those found in avocados, nuts, and fish, are the good guys. They help lower bad cholesterol levels and provide nutrients that help develop and maintain your body's cells. Yes, these big three, proteins, carbohydrates, and fats, are all essential to our health. But the key is balance. Too much of one or not enough of another can throw our bodies off kilter. It's not just about eating healthy foods, but about eating the right amounts of the right foods. Remember, it's all about balance. Water, not just for fish. Now you might be thinking, hey, I'm not a salmon. True, but just like our finned friends, we humans are mostly water. In fact, about 60% of the adult human body is water. That's more than half. Imagine that. Water plays a vital role in our bodies, folks. It helps shuttle nutrients to our cells, aids in digestion, and even keeps our skin looking fresh. Think of it as the universe's own skincare product. Plus, it's a natural temperature regulator. Ever wonder why you sweat on a hot day? It's your body's way of saying time to cool down, and here's the kicker. Water can even help you lose weight. Yes, you heard it right. Drinking water before meals can make you feel fuller, leading to less calorie intake. So the next time you're feeling peckish, reach for a glass of water first. Stay hydrated, my friends, because in a way, we're all a little bit fishy. Healthy eating is not a science, it's an art. Now let's bring everything we've talked about together. We've dived deep into what makes food healthy, looking at the magic of micronutrients and the unsung heroes of our diet. We've explored the big three, carbohydrates, fats, and proteins, and we've also discussed the elixir of life, water. But having all this knowledge about individual components of food is just half the battle. The real challenge and the true art lies in combining these components into a balanced diet. It's like painting a masterpiece. Each color on its own has its charm, but when you blend them together in the right proportions, that's when you create a real work of art. A balanced diet is like a color palette for your body. Carbohydrates, fats, and proteins are your primary colors. Vitamins, minerals, and water are your shades and tints. Together, they paint a vibrant picture of health and vitality. And just like art, there's no one-size-fits-all. What works for one person might not work for another. Your body is unique, and so should be your diet. Listen to your body, understand its needs, and feed it accordingly. Remember, it's not just about eating the right things, but also about eating them in the right way. Chew your food well, savor the flavors, enjoy the textures. Eating should be a mindful activity, not something you rush through. And lastly, don't forget to integrate physical activity into your routine. A healthy diet and regular exercise go hand in hand. They're like two sides of the same coin. When you combine them, that's when you truly fuel your body. Healthy eating, it's not just about what you eat, but also how you eat. Remember to enjoy every bite. You now have the knowledge, the power is in your hands. The road to healthy eating might seem daunting, right? Mountains of leafy greens, oceans of clear, crisp water, and forests of fruits and veggies. But remember, every great journey starts with a single step, or in this case, a single bite. It's not about going cold turkey on your favorite snacks, but rather embracing a lifestyle that includes the vibrant colors of fruits and vegetables, the energy from wholesome grains, and the hydration from good old H2O. Think of it as a culinary adventure where you discover new flavors, experiment with different recipes, and ultimately fuel your body with the best nature has to offer. And if you falter, don't fret. There's always another meal, another chance to make a healthier choice. Remember, the journey to healthy eating is a marathon, not a sprint. Take it one bite at a time.